July ni som pariat sang ni som ni parugani breaking news som le tlat mai United States ti hian in azon ni sari chung Iran hin be to ni kar khat an be ting to ni tin an bom ti na ni hi Iran lampang hian in an la thutak chho tran khop maya ni emoni thum chung hi US na min be le ani chuan Indona lian tham tak a chuakang ti in Iran hian US te na an ron be na chang let satlia to lova na sataka bom ve pop Beilet pop an tum thu an ron tlang au puya he thila hi kan ron ri kan ron soizawa United States te hian in eng tak en va bom chiat le ti velte chumi ma chong ka shil du cheu chu zo stream Android mobile application hi Google Play Store chen download theya he app kal tang hian in Mizo chong le lin movie munom tak ke drama Bollywood Hollywood serial engkim en theyani zo stream app hi Android Smart TV am man thei boka tin zo stream app hi Mizoram azon in pay-per-view le subscription platform khata in kom ma saberania kan subscribe na man milzel na account te point share theyani Tuna hianin durandar one le true an chuo mega one pay hi chu a free na en theo ti chu wang chuanin zo stream Android mobile application hi Google Play Store atang lo download ula he app kal tang hianin Mizo tong le lin sa movie hmunom deu kha in lo en ve theu donia ole in react ila
Story Fox News senior correspondent Mike Tobin joins us now from Tel Aviv. Mike, what more can you tell us? It's good to see you.
Tel Aviv atangin Israel atangin no
for 2 hours now the strikes have been underway.
Wo darkar ni chung he panaron report live po hianin an be an lo be der to ani rei to khop mai darkar
The US Central Command has been turning up the heat on the Islamic regime now for 7 nights in a row. Dramatic video from CENTCOM showing the port city of Hmar in which a tower was taken out. Now the tower, according to the US, gave Iran the ability to track it.
Puak pop mai ni longchon nam huna to war poi mo tak United States si pai te hian an kap chi ani an be rei to United States te hi tun tum chu an nor na rem khop mai chuan in thil pakhat poi de chu mo United States te hian in si pai mun pui chau hi an target to lo hi kan thre dangai si pai mun chau te hin target to lo ama Strait of Hormuz nai lampanga Iran missile ka chho theina turte drone ka chho theina turte khang kha an target ani malama ha chuan ati lama ha chuan amaro chu hunarai tela hetiang an target hi adar ve telani United States hian omje chu Iran hi atira chuanin Strait of Hormuz an sipai mun an missile da thana mun missile ka chhona mun drone da thana le ka chhona mun vel target khan le command center te khatiang vel target khan mo Strait of Hormuz na yami target khan an norani US lampang hian amaro chu kha assault don lo ti an thria chuwan chuanin United States te hianin Strait of Hormuz bul hnai ve la mi chau lo khan ti khan mun sang mi khan bom chho zel to ani hi thil aron escalate na sa boruak aron ti so sang aron ti hot na sa khop mai
Menace shipping in the Gulf of Oman, therefore shipping that transit of the strait. Central Command says the destruction weakens the Revolutionary Guard's ability to coordinate attacks on commercial shipping. We've got more video of the transportation network damaged by U.S. strikes. Bandar Kamir and Bandar Abbas. Both port cities both saw road bridge.
Wow, ti ni chuan mo an chak khai ai supply ko na turang chi zong kha a khai lak do ti na ani
And rail bridges destroyed, and the goal is to disrupt the ability of the Iranians to resupply and attack.
Strait of Hormuz na yami ha anti chepotanga chuanin Strait of Hormuz nai ami antil ti chiat khami pan na kong kha United States an ti chele do na ni a chan chu Strait of Hormuz an ti chiata antil ti chiat ron pan na kong mo enge an siam that theina turata na bungrua an ron phur pheina tura kong kha an dan chat le an ti chiat le silo chuan Iran hianin an siam thavi le theya hi United States hianin a hriati a chianga chuwang chuanin hetiang antil ti chiat sak to sa Iran lampangina an repair zung theilo na atan United States te hian tiang hianin rail kongte leite an bom che chho chanda ni.
For the first time, Iran has acknowledged that strikes are taking a toll on the power grid. Residents in the south of the country have been urged to scale back on electricity consumption, particularly air conditioning.
Power lampang po United States hian na beya chuwang chuanin Iran chim lama mi puitam tak chu Iran sarkar hianin enge electric mangna salutuk lovin mangna salutuk lo turin Iran sarkar hian mi puite ashrilani abik takin AC te po manglo turin Iran sarkar hian mi puite ashrilani
A fourth ship has been turned around in the Strait of Hormuz. This is a fourth ship since the blockade went into effect on any ships doing business with Iran. Beyond that, one ship was disabled when the U.S. fired Hellfire missiles into its smokestack. Another one was boarded by U.S. Marines for verification.
Strait of Hormuz apa khanin englo long pakhathi United States lampang hinan kap ve ani asan chu United States in a block ve thawa Strait of Hormuz ka kami kha local tlang tum te pon omani theya chuanin United States Marines te hianin long pakhathi enge enge long a han reng tu tenge chuang ti ang chi vel kami verify tur khanin an lon chil bok ani kha kan hriat thei chu ani.
Thank you so much, Mike Tobin. Please stay safe out there. Now please listen to this.
Iran very much continues to talk to the United States of America and expect
Caroline Leviti ani he White House press secretary ne ani hian in Iran hian in min laron bevereng ati
that they want to make a deal with us because they are suffering devastating blows on behalf of our United States military. The reason for the recent strikes over the course of the last several days is because Iran violated the Memorandum of Understanding that we struck with them. Specifically, in the Memorandum of Understanding that they signed, they were not to fire on commercial vessels moving through the Strait of Hormuz. And
tun nai nisari chung zet Iran kan bom na chan chu Memorandum of Understanding kan sign pui kaka an bo chiat wangani kami Memorandum of Understanding kan sign ahan Strait of Hormuz kaltang reng sumdong long te hi chu Iran hianin an kap turani lo ti ania kaka an ka awangin tuna hianin a zonin nisari chung Iran kan be ta ani tin Caroline Leviti hian a soyani.
Fortunately, they have made the tragic decision for them to do that. And President Trump is not going to sit by and allow these active acts of terrorism to take place in the Strait without ensuring Iran pays consequences for that.
That was
kaka Iran khanin khating khan an kap ta chuanin kaka Caroline Leviti ron soi dan ani ta amarozu hi kan hriat le angai thana kan ron soi non le menge Iran po hianin MOU kan bo chelo MOU bo chetu chu United States te hian ni anti ve a chan chu Iran ngai dana chuan Strait of Hormuz ko an ta ania chuanin Strait of Hormuz a long kal dan tur te an kongzo tur zong kha kaka Iran thunei na vek ani kaka long ten an zom lo ani chuan Iran hianin khatiang long chunga khanin thunei na ne akap thei tiang ha Iran ngai da ni mo Iran thir da nia US thir da ne hein ang lo dai mai ani chu van sonin an thir na tlang khi ain ang lo lutuk khi anin rem thei lo na ber nin ka ria di hein bom le thina chu van sonin US hen tiana boma Iranin chang le boka hey video danga phei sonin the policy of both negotiation and war is over mo US te ne na hey makati de chu hey hi Caroline Leviti hianin Iran te hian min laron bevereng ati tatro hi Caroline Leviti soi ani White House press secretary amaro chu Iran an supreme leader advisor Mohsen Rezai hepa hi chuanin the policy of both negotiation and war is over US te nena kan hanin dor na tur ang chi song te kanin biak na tur te kanin rem thei na tur te hi heng te hi atop vek to ani aron tile dai mai ani Caroline Levitin Iran ten min ron bia achan chu kan bom na sa an tur na sa chu fan chon in dil siam pui min du anti lai hian Iran lampang chuanin hetianga kan in biak na zong hi atop vek to an lo ti vele loi bok sigani tu zong e rin tur tung e rin lo tur hre thiama har khop mai chuan if the United States continue the war over the next 2-3 days aron tile ta ani achan chu ni sari chu an be to United States te hian bom char chu ni thum chu an be le ni chon ni so matling don ta chu hepa hianin Supreme Leader Advisor hianin United States te hianin ni atang ni thum chu miron bom le ani chuan we will enter the phase of full-scale assault and complete destruction of the enemy atiani hemi invo na hi chu anakhop mai full-scale assault and complete destruction of the enemy almani soidan chuan Middle East United States angang te hi kan nuai chimit vek don United States hian ni thum chu min la be chun zo mani chuan ti in he Supreme Leader Advisor hian te hian in United States setan warning aron petani chuan once this strategy is activated hetianga United States na min la be chun zo ma ke mani na Middle East United States sipai zong te an ral thum zong te nuai chimi tuma kan be na hi a in chan to ani chuan we will no longer limit ourselves to retaliatory actions and no political border will provide security against Iran's offensive forces aron titani United States te an sipai te Middle East te an be chan to chuan hetianga United States na miron ka lo chan le ta han kan du tok to don lo all out war hom je chu Indo pui to meng chu all out war chu mo tu na pakhatina ka pa phubala pakhatin phubaron la le de khatiang me meng han to don lo an Indo chho tak to don te hi Iran hian in aron nem nge tani mase Iran hian in United States han do thei na tur khopatam man ruate ane yang em ti ero kha chu zo na o mani pui khop mai tu na chonin a bo ruak hi a tense le ni a so sang rem le ani kha he video achanga kan ron rieka kan ron soi zau thei chu ani a zonin United States te hian in nisari chung Iran an beito Iran lampang hian in ni thum chung min ron beile ani ngai chuan ron chan le chati khani to don lo a Indo wing an Indo tak to don ti in warning an ron peta ani le kha ani he video kan riek thei chu video la in hule theu don ya